Okay, to multiply binomials, if you remember, binomials are polynomials with two terms. So 3x plus 4 is a binomial. X minus 2 is a binomial because it has two terms. So the method that we use to multiply two binomials is called FOIL. So the F stands for the first terms. So the first terms, this is first and this is first. The O stands for the outside terms. So when you're multiplying these two, the outside terms are these two terms. Outside. The I stands for the inside. So the two that are inside are X and Y right here. And then the last, the L, stands for the last terms. These two are the last. So what you're going to do is you're going to multiply the first times the first, so that's x squared. Then you're going to do the outside times the outside, so that's plus 3x. Then you're going to do the inside times the inside, so that's plus 4x. Then you do the last. So last times last is plus 12. So now you need to simplify this. So you're going to have x squared, 3x and 4x is 7x, and then plus 12 is your answer. So what you're doing is you're doing the distributive property twice. So I'm going to write this right here, x plus 4, x plus 3. You can think of it as multiplying x by both of these, and then by multiplying 4 by both of these. So I'm going to do it that way. So I'm going to take this x and I multiply it by x and get x squared. Then I multiply it by negative 5 and get negative 5x. Then I do 2 and multiply 2 by each of these. So it's 2 and x and 2 and negative 5. I multiply to get negative 10. Then I combine them. So it's x squared minus 3x minus 10. And then down here, oops, I'm going to take this m and multiply it by each of these. So m times 2m is 2m squared. M times 3 is 6m. And now I'm going to do the bottom. 2 times 2m is 4m. 2 times 3, I multiply them as 6. So then I do 2m squared plus 10m's plus 6. So then letter D, 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 2x times negative 4 is negative 8x. 1 times 3x is 3x. 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. So now I have 6x squared minus 5x minus 4. You can also do the box method, so I'll show you how to do it with the box method. So what you do is, if you have x plus 4 across the top or side, it does not matter. You write an x and then a plus 4. And then I'm going to do x plus 1 and write it the opposite way, x plus 1. Then what you do is you find the area of each box. So this box is going to be x squared. This box, you do x times 4 to get 4x. This box, you do x times 1 to get x. And this box, you do 4 times 1 to get 4. So in the end, you look at your box, only have one x squared term. 4x plus 1x is 5x, and then I have a plus 4. So you write x plus 7, x minus 3, and find the area of each box by taking the length times width. So this is x squared, this is 7x, this is negative 3x, and this is negative 21 because you're multiplying. So you have x squared plus 4x's, because 7x and negative 3x is 4x, minus 21. And then down here, 3x plus 1, 2x minus 5. So this is 6x squared, because x times x is x squared. 2x, 3x times negative 15, or negative 5 is negative 15x. This is negative 5. So you have 6x squareds minus 13x minus 5. And then I write 7x minus 3, 2x plus 4. So this is 14x squared minus 6x, 28x, negative 12. So you do 14x squared plus 22x minus 12. So it's just another way to do FOIL, or you can do FOIL.